Halo guys, so bertemu baru aku bakal sekali tuh. Oke, mana yang bawa aku sekali tuh. Oke guys, so bertemu baru buat video ke kalian tuh, and terima kasih lah begitu udah klik video tuh. Aku ucap ke terima kasih lah. Baka video-video sebelah tuh kita yang kita view, thanks kalau udah klik. And aku nanti lama dalam video sekali tu aku ngagak reaction video seram part 2 guys, part 2. Okay, thumbnail lo. Okay, ngagak reaction part 2 untuk video seram. Okay, taruhlah video ya, kita akan start dalam 3, 2, 1 and mula.
أكد.
تاري كومبو كوباري تيك توك.
طب أنت مين؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أنا متأكد يا إخوان كان موجود.
Nice. Kalau konten aku jadi itu
Watch.
Din gantung ke belakang, Din tinggal lah.
What the What the Tell me I'm not a f***ing crack, dude. Hell no. What the f***? Dude, I'm out of here. Hell no, bro.
So guys,
Oh, what the Yeah.
walaupun dah ay
That's
Oh, we just found this shit in the middle of the woods. No lie.
patung.
Creepy as hell. I did not think this doll was going to be haunted because we made fun of it, and a week later, my car got crashed into. Camera starts glitching, and my dog starts barking out of nowhere.
Cek belakang. Oh.
Hello?
Anybody there?
Hey, look, if you're just out here with me, you're fixing to end up in jail. You understand? So where are you? Nope, I'm getting the out of here. I'm done with this, man. Nope. Hell to the no. Somebody's out here with me. All right, this is some scary that I ain't doing this garbage. You know.
Okay guys, apa yang terjadi?
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله بسم الله التمات من شر ما خلق. بسم الله اللهم اعوذ بك من الخبث
Oh my
خبث.
god,
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بسم الله.
dia merangkak ke apa tuh?
هذا جن ولا هنس؟
Dia kena
بسم الله
topeng
هذا جن ولا
masker.
هنس؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وش ذا؟ بسم الله.
Apa jenis tuh? Jenis nama tuh?
وش النار اللي ولعت؟ بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Tiba-tiba
بسم الله. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Okay, so I've been fucking hearing noises again. Fuck. I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm gonna turn some
Okay,
fucking
abis ini
lights
bunyi
on
gua.
because people tell me I need to do that shit, so I'm going to. Fucking. I don't fucking know. It's just.
Tiba-tiba pintu ini
What
terbuka.
the fuck?
Nama ni Great Tiger ke? Kai. Ya tutup dia guys.
So I'm gonna have to get my sister over here a lot sooner. I've done research on the house. It's not old. No one's died here, so I don't know if this thing is a demon or a poltergeist. I don't know what the fuck this is.
So
I'll try and keep you guys updated.
yeah.
But I'm gonna be staying at a friend's house, so you probably won't hear from me for a couple days. So yeah.
Perra madre. Ah, su puta madre.
Kita bisa bunyi kan macam suara perempuan yang macam menangis. Jangan gaya ke teman. Ay. Ay.
What are you doing? Oh, what, Nani? Look at me. What are you scared of? The fish? Oh, the fish died.
What?
Angel's sleeping already. It's raining, girls. Nothing, Nani, are you almost done eating?
Apa yang terjadi?
Look at me.
Mak balik.
Look at
Lihat
me.
juga.
That is, until the younger girl takes a second look, and suddenly she also sees whatever frightened her older sister. Her reaction is pure terror.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. But you gotta listen to me. Turn around. Look at me. What's the matter?
Apa yang dia tengok? Oh ya. Itu komen gitar ke apa itu? Aneh wujud. Segantik. Apabila bisa blur kameranya dia macam sesuatu yang mansak kameranya lah. Yes. Seram kan dia atau?
What's your name? Eva? Australian base. I think I've located the missing girl. What are you doing out here?
Oh, I'm trying to help
Juliana? Oh my goodness. Get over here now. Come with me. Why not? Come with me.
because my friend didn't allow it. She loves.
I don't know if y'all can see that thing right there. Whatever that is in my lane. But I can only see it on here. Whatever the hell that is not there outside of the camera. Yeah. What is that? What is that right there?
Ini bagi.
Whatever it is, it doesn't show up on anything else but the camera. There it is again. Look, there it is. What is that? What the fuck is that?
It's a mannequin out in my room and her makeup's ugly. What even is that?
Oh. Yes. Aku rasa macam itu yang kena ketua. Rupa-rupanya wih jatuh. Ya kulit atas macam apa benda atasnya kah? Ah iya, sound tuh macam dia menangis guys. Oh, dia main lampu pula dah. Habis, yeah, thank you. Nyemak kita terperindah kau video kekal itu. Aku terima kasih laban kita. Udah ya, klik video tu tadi. Yeah. So guys, diajak hari aku untuk video kali itu. Terima kasih lah udah klik and terima kasih udah view dan subscribe buat channel tu. Thank you atas support kita, and nyajak aku Alistair. Nanti video ke akan datang. Okay. Ya, nanti video akan datang. Alright. See you again.